Buddy, you're awesome, it works. Good job. Yeah, I effed up. Take a look at this. Really upset with myself right now. What's up, everybody? Adam back today. Seth's back with us. Oregon's got the school shut down for the remainder of the month because of the whole outbreak and everything like that, and people getting crazy. So we're working today. And back on the Corvette again today. Yesterday I pulled out the old blower fan, and we're putting the new one in now, which spins way better than this thing right here. So Seth's gonna dig in and get that thing put in place, and we're gonna go ahead and test that and see where we get with it. All right, so heck yeah, freaking stick around, get stuck in, we're getting into this. Just got done hooking it all up. Good job, buddy. Awesome. What we're gonna do now is go ahead and test to see if the blower is actually kicking on with the car, okay? Well, we're not gonna start it, but oh my gosh. Oh, getting inside this thing is not super easy or awesome. Oh, Brian's got this, or not Brian, Rob's got this thing totally apart. All right. Here we go. Let's see here. Not sure if you guys can hear that. Woo! Yes! Yeah! Buddy, you're awesome, it works. Good job. Yes. Super sick. Yeah, man. Woo! All right, get back out of this thing. Oh! Ouch. All right, got that tasker down. Man, that's awesome. Yeah, now we just need to button that up the rest of the way, get it all back together, and we're golden. Okay, let's get into that. Just getting the last little bit here buttoned up. Get this molding back on. Supposed to be here. There we go. And wham! Bam! New freaking blower motor is in for the heater. Awesome. It all works. Hey, good job, buddy. Totally impressed. Yeah, good job. Pretty awesome. Went a lot. Oh, maybe I should point the camera at it. Pretty awesome. Went a lot smoother than I thought it was going to. Real easy. Through Napa, it was like a $34 part. I know you can buy them off of Amazon and you can get them probably like for 31 bucks or $32 or something, right around there. It's nothing that, you can't trust that, and if you're on a budget, go ahead and do it. But if something's wrong, I'd rather be buying from a local organization. That way I can return it real easy, not have any problems, okay? So got that together, freaking awesome.
The next day.
Back out the shop today. It's the wife's birthday, but man, I'm sorry, everyone that's got a birthday in March, April. Yeah, you're all hosed. That sucks. Really sucks. Anyways, it's a work day for her. She had to bring her laptop and her all her work stuff home. She's working from home right now, so we set up a little temporary office for her. That's not too bad. But getting back at it out here. I think I'm going to try to drop the center console. Not the center console. I think I'm going to try to drop the So back out here today, and I think I'm going to try to drop the steering column in the car today and see if I can pull out the cluster there and maybe clean up the connection, see if we can get the speedometer to pop up or find out what's wrong with the speedometer on the Corvette. So no Seth with me today. He's out at the YMCA having a good time. So, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and get stuck in. Alright, we got the cluster out. That's good. Man, that's quite the undertaking. So getting ready to tear that apart so we can go ahead and look to see how bad the circuit board on it. I can already see some corrosion in a few spots, and I'll point those out and everything like that, but oh man, quite the accomplishment already. But yeah, let's go ahead and dig into breaking it the rest of the way down, and then I'm gonna show it to Rob, see what he thinks and what we might have to do with this. Hopefully get this pig back up and running. Hell yeah, let's get to it. All right guys, so, well, music's on, can't really talk. Anyways, see right here, if you look, bunch of corrosion right there. I'm gonna grab the phone.
Warning, do not try to do anything you're about to see. I am being stupid and am about to pay the price for doing so.
Damn it! Yeah, I effed up. Take a look at this. Oh, I cracked the LCD screen, man. This is corroded so bad, dude, that like I can't like pry it down at all. So I'm just trying to lightly tap it, and I had a screwdriver underneath there, and yeah, you can see where it's spider webbed. God dang it, man. Really upset with myself right now. I hope I can find LD. I hope I can find those screens. I want to cuss so bad. Trying to keep it under wraps for the YouTubes, but oh, the sailor in me wants to take over. All right, gonna go finish taking this apart and be pissed off about doing it. So, wow, that really just sucked. Yeah, that sucked so much, man. Oh, yeah. What are you gonna do? I gotta be more patient. That's what you're gonna do. Not try to force it like I was. Hey, that was so stupid. If you guys are working on one, don't do what I just did because that was retarded. I mean, they are super fragile. Yeah. Jeez. And then the video I was watching on how to do it and everything like that, right after I broke it, the guy's like, hey, Bob, by the way, make sure you don't break these because this video we're recording it in 2019 and they stopped reproducing these. And so the only way to get a replacement one now is with a used cluster, a donor cluster. And I'm just like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Ugh.